Hey, I'm Fish. I'm heading over to a store, and it should be open by the time I get there. Did you guys and gals see the InstaSphere video of the major update? Don't tell nobody. It's hardly ever seen. Like or two don't help. There's not even a comment on it. I missed the early sunrise. I may have been a minute late or a minute early. I will always do the things I love to do and share to the world. Maybe Joe's gonna meet me at the store. Oh yeah, you never know. A traffic jam. The fishing boat's ready to go out. So I sent a completion report like 3 times. I get an answer back. Oh, could you send it to me one more time? That means the person heard me, saw the email, and knows it there, but they still want me to send a completion report again. So as we head on down and capture the wonderful sunrise. Today I feel like I need to shift up a gear level. I'm pedaling too easy. There are days I can't pedal, and days I can. I find it easier to hit the record button in portrait on the Insta360 Pro 2 for the reason of the button's on the low end side and I'm able to get my hands on it to hit it. I didn't know that I could do 8K in vertical, but I probably know that putting an 8K video vertical is not going to be the best. Maybe I'll be the first one to get an 8K vertical video. Now, how many people are really going to watch 8K on a smartphone? I'm coming down to a dead end, and I'm going to do a stage right. So where we need to be, we are here, and where we need to be in another few seconds. And they're not open. I really would like to go in and put the sign up and say, hey, we're open. Oh, well, I could keep on trying. Or maybe I could go to plan B. So we're riding on down again to the shore, to the beach, to the water, to see what it looks like. Well, you let me know how this sounds. This sounds pretty good, right? You got the chirping frog. You heard the engine go by. And he's slowly preparing to go. So as he sets up, I'm going to walk down towards the water, the rocks, the jetty, the shore, the beach's end, the land's end. And I'm going to turn around. You may be able to see that wonderful sail ship, that white ship in the back. And there you go. Did you see the guy exercising in his shorts? He does karate, jujitsu, yoga, tai chi every morning in the summertime, only not in the winter. I got to switch over. And now we're on blue. Maybe you hear the water rolling. That's how dead calm it is. Maybe you hear the machine chirping. Why he's not moving along doing his job. We got 9 version updates. We got 9, count them, 9 updates. All right, so let's start the update. Hit the update, and we need to reconnect the device. I thought I recorded the scene. Maybe I hit the stop button instead. If it's there, it's there. I'm getting on out of here. The beach is happening first thing in the wee hours of the morning. Always. And it's not even a weekend. I'm heading on down and finishing on up, and I am gonna go meet up with Joe. And what a wonderful way to end a morning, a bike ride. Well, I am Fish, and I see you the next time.